This is the SKIDDOMETER BV11 from Finnish company Moventor, a state-of-the-art continuous friction measuring unit designed to record friction levels on airport runways. When commercial jets land or take off at busy airports, proper friction between the tires and runway is critical. By regularly testing the runway with the SKIDDOMETER BV11, both airport operators and pilots alike can be assured that correct friction levels are continuously maintained. Designed for easy towing by almost any vehicle, the BV11 has been described as the most reliable and accurate system available. As the system is towed along the runway, real-time friction data is collected by a dedicated measuring tire and transmitted to a dash-mounted control unit. To ensure the data is as accurate as possible, this highly specialized tire is constructed with a material, shape, and tread which closely resembles the wheels typically used by actual aircraft. To determine friction levels on a wet runway, the top-mounted WMS wetting system's robust water pump automatically provides the standard uniform water depth of 1 millimeter just ahead of measuring the tire. An optional onboard wetting unit can also be used. Moventor also offers the SKIDDOMETER BV11-6, a fully integrated retractable system that doesn't require towing. With the safety of the passengers and crew always on the line, the SKIDDOMETER's BV11 and BV11-6 can be counted on to deliver much-needed reliability, accuracy, and peace of mind. This is the ROBOGOLFPRO from inventor and former professional golfer Scott Ney, the first and only robotic swing trainer that allows golfers to build their ideal swing. Designed to help teaching professionals and students speed up the learning curve, the ROBOGOLFPRO can help everyone from those who've never had a golf club to LPGA and PGA touring professionals. By having the instructor analyze exactly where your swing and technique fall short of the mark, the ROBOGOLFPRO can then be programmed to help you correct it. Before beginning your training, the ROBOGOLFPRO will record every aspect of your swing, including impact, distance, direction, curvature, club head speed, and more. Next, while grasping the machine's club and looking into a large split-screen monitor, the ROBOGOLFPRO will then slowly begin taking you through complete swings while gradually correcting your errors. As you continue, you'll soon begin to experience how it actually feels to correctly swing the club. Before long, you'll see huge drops in your scores on the course. Lessons with the ROBOGOLFPRO are offered by trained professionals at golf academies all over the U.S. If you're ready to find your perfect swing, check out the link below. Meet the mind-blowing amphibious excavators from Malaysian company EIK. Powered by a proprietary multi-synchronous hydraulic direct drive system, amphibious excavators are perfectly suited for dredging or deepening waterways and river deltas, providing flood maintenance and protection, constructing new swamps and wetlands, or creating roads through waterlogged swamps. In other words, these amazing machines absolutely love to get wet. Riding on a pair of sealed high-tension steel pontoons with all-terrain tracks, these amazing marsh buggies are equally effective on dry land, on the water, or even in the water. While this would cause traditionally designed excavators to immediately become flooded and stall, EIK's amphibious excavators remain capable of full operational parameters. While amphibious excavators can be outfitted with accessories such as buckets, grapples, or long-reach arms, They're often most effective when combined with other machines from companies like Cat, Doosan, and Volvo. For extra stability in waters where tip-over is a concern, an optional swivel joint kit allows the pontoons to be widened or narrowed as needed. Proven over tens of thousands of operational hours, the EIK amphibious excavators make working in swamps and marshes seem like a day at the park. This is the RATIOPLUS, a totally mind-blowing logging trailer from Dahl Vehicle Construction. With a huge piece seemingly missing from its center, anyone could be excused for assuming this trailer isn't going anywhere. However, with a heavy-duty cable providing the forward section's direction and speed to its rear trailer at all times, the RATIOPLUS can be controlled as easily as if it were physically connected. While that's incredibly amazing on its own, there's more. When the truck makes a turn at speeds below 35 miles per hour, the rear trailer can actually turn its wheels in the opposite direction from the forward section. Known as positive steering, this nifty move allows the RATIOPLUS to navigate turns with far more agility than practically any traditionally constructed trailer. When turning with a full load of logs, both the front and rear sections can automatically turn their log frames to match the direction of the turn. Though easily deployed when needed, the RATIOPLUS can also load its rear trailer onto the front trailer when not in use. With its uncanny maneuverability and functionality, the Dahl RATIOPLUS makes life a lot easier for its grateful drivers. This is the AD-28 high-rise cleaning drone from California drone manufacturing company Aerones. When the windows on extremely tall buildings like Latvia's Z Towers need a good cleaning, courageous crews have literally put their lives on the line to do the job. Now, using Aerones' most powerful 14-propeller heavy-lift drone, this perilous work can be accomplished without endangering anyone. With its onboard independent power supply and ability to lift up to 200 kilograms of weight, the AD-28 has become the safest and most effective method of high-rise building cleaning ever used. To ensure it can stay in the air for enough time to accomplish its dizzying task, the AD-28 carries a ground-based power cable and water hose. Biodegradable cleaning solution can also be sent up the hose when required, so trips to the ground can be kept to a minimum. To ensure the drone maintains a safe distance from the item to be cleaned, rollers or pads can be attached with an interchangeable robotic arm. In addition to cleaning elevated windows and facades, the AD-28 is also capable of cleaning wind turbines. For safe and effective cleaning at elevated heights, the AD-28 rises to the occasion. Check out the BIBI 1090 BLEVO, a next-generation crawler scissor lift from Italian company Almac. Powered by a 12.5 kilowatt Kubota diesel engine, the 1090 BLEVO rides on an innovative dual-track system capable of advanced functionality. With a forward speed of up to 2.7 kilometers per hour with the basket in the lowered position, this mini crawler includes a dynamic leveling function that keeps the basket level on inclines of up to 25 degrees. Using the wired remote control, the operator gains access to the 1090 by leaning the basket forward up to 15 degrees. The 1090 BLEVO scissor lift has an operational maximum working height of 10 meters. Once elevated, the extendable basket negates the need for the worker to lean over the rail. Should the need arise, the 1090 can actually move while elevated up to 7 meters. When the machine encounters uneven terrain, the proactive leveling function will stop the machine and automatically level out the scissors and basket. Also including automatic lateral leveling to maintain side-to-side stability, the BIBI 1090 BLEVO rises to a new level of safety and performance. Check out the life-saving rescue machines from Austrian company Weber Rescue Systems. Designed to stretch, bend, and cut open the mangled exterior of a wrecked passenger vehicle, these powerful machines allow rescuers to safely extricate those who are trapped inside. Using Weber's hydraulic spreaders, rescue cylinders, and combination devices, rescuers have a much better chance of success when time is of the essence. With its 840 bars of pressure, Weber spreaders like the SP53BS can create an opening up to 800 millimeters wide. Placed in the hands of a trained rescuer, this monstrously capable machine can easily spread open the most badly damaged doors or windows. Similar to the now famous Hearst Jaws of Life, Weber's combination devices can both spread and cut their way through any damage they encounter. Bringing to bear both a powerful spreader and an intensely effective set of razor-sharp scissors, combination devices are what rescuers reach for when lives are on the line. In certain situations, rescuers can employ one or more hydraulic rescue cylinders. These hydraulic tools use a powerful telescopic arm to increase the height or width of an existing opening. As much as we hope they're never required, the Weber hydraulic rescue systems offer those trapped in their vehicles a much better chance to survive. Check out the ARIAMATIC 240 and 240 Super from Italian company TSM, the next generation in outdoor urban vacuum systems. Billed as the world's first electric urban vacuum, the ARIAMATIC 240 features the company's innovative Follow Me system. This allows it to recognize its operator and follow his movements even in a crowded city context. Because the operator isn't required to drive the machine, the Follow Me function greatly increases productivity. Whether the operator is using the detachable hose to seek out and remove trash, or when simply patrolling the neighborhood, the ARIAMATIC 240 follows faithfully behind at up to 9.6 miles per hour. The ARIAMATIC 240 can also detect and avoid obstacles in its path. When its operator comes to a stop, it also halts its forward progress. That's probably a very good thing. To reduce maintenance time, the ARIAMATIC 240 Super includes an automatic filter cleaning system. While some might not feel comfortable having a large machine with a super powerful vacuum hose following their every move, those who use it absolutely love it. Meet the Boomer, an automated face drilling rig from global corporation EPIROC. Designed to operate in small drifts and tunnels, the Boomer is also incredibly maneuverable in close quarters. Able to penetrate rock up to 15% more efficiently than their closest competitors. This compact but powerful machine's boom arm-mounted steel drilling rigs can operate for hundreds of hours before requiring maintenance. As a result, the Boomer boasts an unheard-of level of productivity. The EPIROC Boomer is available in several models, each with its own specific functions. The Boomer S1 features a COP 1800 rock drill with a double tripod setup for fast, precise positioning. Its generous 33 square meter operating area and optimized drill economy provide astounding flexibility. The Boomer S2 employs a dual joystick control and two COP MD20 hydraulic drills. With its robust frame, improved filtration system, and 56 square meter operating area, this Boomer is the most productive machine in its class. Including every recent advancement in automated drilling, the Boomer M2C battery is the complete package. Mounted to a four-wheel drive carrier, this drilling dreadnought includes both hydraulic tunneling and mining capability. With various other highly nuanced models also available, the EPIROC Boomer could arguably be called the king of compact automated drill machines.